तो जैसा कि अभी देखा आपने, हमारे विमल सर ने अभी हमें इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है और हम उसी तरह अपनी सामान के साथ में एक्टिविटी करने के लिए तैयार हैं। और नाइट वॉक के लिए, नाइट हाइक के लिए हम लोग तैयार हैं।
Now we are going to night walk.
नाइट वॉक,
This is called also petrol expeditions.
पड़े या ना पड़े अलग बात है।
लाइट नहीं चाहिए।
रात को कान और नाक ये दोनों अच्छा से काम करना है। बहुत बात करते हैं यार हम लोग, कम से कम 10-15 मिनट बात करना बंद करो सब। जहाँ कुछ नहीं होता है उसका आनंद अलग होता है। लाइट, मोबाइल सब बंद रखना है। जब तक हम बोलेंगे नहीं जहाँ इसको यूज कर सकते हैं उसके पहले यूज नहीं करना है, ठीक है ना। ऑन रोड है क्योंकि ऑफ रोड हम नहीं करेंगे। इधर वाला ग्रुप का चेक करो, ठीक है ना। आपके ग्रुप है ना, अगर हम वहां जाने के बाद करेंगे तो थर्ड में चलना है, ठीक है ना। नंबर 3 आप इसके पीछे से शुरू करना है। हम वहां जाने के बाद आप थर्ड में चलना है, ठीक है ना। चलो इधर
recording.
Okay, so this road is called Old Chakkar, or in the modern language Outer Ring Road. This road on your right, if you walk 6 kilometers you will reach the Mahadev caves, and if you walk on to the left 10 kilometers you will reach the highest peak of Satpura ranges called Dubgat. So you are on a road which was constructed basically some 200 years by the British Army for their mapping purpose. So in Pachmadi there are 2 pillars, one very close to our National Adventure Institute. Locally they call it Lord's Ring. For mapping from helicopter they use this point as point B, and we have another point near the helipad. These 2 points were a baseline for mapping of British India, which was spreading from the borders of Kandahar, which is now part of Pakistan, and up to the present Myanmar. So where you are now is almost center of the old British India. So that is first thing. Second is when you are coming, it's a different lighting of these trees. After 5 minutes, when the moon is up, you will see a different lighting of these So that is why we say we need to bring children between the nature. Then on to your right, if you look up, you can see a planet. How you identify a planet and star? Stars will be blinking and planets, or even if it is a human-made satellite, that will be giving only a bright light. So the top right you are seeing Venus. So where on your right hand side, if you straight put your hand, so you are seeing Venus. So just before our moving, Cassiopeia was visible. Cassiopeia? Yes. Yeah. The light is coming from this side now. Okay. If you just look up on your, it will not look like that. If you need a very sharp light, this will not help.
Somebody is having a
Yeah,
sharp touch.
this one. Okay. इसको बंद करो.
बंद करो.
इसको बंद करो. जी सर. उधर वो टॉर्च किसका था? या आप ये अभी बंद करना, उनको देखने में सुविधा होगा. Right? See, there is one V and one bigger V. So the bigger V, if you take the center point and cut, you reach the point which is directing towards pole star. है ना? ये कल आपको इसकी मैप और उसका जो स्केच है वो विमल जी आपको देंगे. हाउ ए कैसियोपेया लुक विथ अदर स्टार्स इन द स्काई. देन नाउ अभी देखिए 2-4 मिनट में चांद जो है ऊपर को आएगा. व्हेन द मून कम्स अप, यू सी द चेंज इन द लाइटिंग. यू विल सी ए brightness in the top leaves, and that is an indicator for people, those who live in the forest or where you have no normal city lights, no, the time for moving, if they want move in the night, so till that time they will wait. And this brightness also gives an indication that how chill the night is, and if there is less chillness, that means the hot air is blowing, so they can take long trips. If they feel that it is not, there is still sky, there is no cloud now, the daytime was clearing off, now it is clear. So these are the things which we should bring to the young people. And scouting without nature is not at all scouting, because everything in the nature is created by God. No two things will be same. So why we are comparing ourselves with somebody else? We always compare ourselves, our children with somebody, telling that तुम उसका जैसा नहीं है, वो मार्क लेता है, तुम मार्क नहीं लेता है, तुम खाना खाता है. You come to the nature, you will find nothing the same. एक जैसे भी नहीं होता है. If you so closely, if you watch, everything is different. So that is what we want to tell the young people. They should not go to suicide thinking that other person is good, other person is taking good marks, other person is good singer. So they can only understand if they come to the nature. If you are in the cities, you will pay more money for Akash Institute because you want your child to compete with somebody's child. You want your child to see that he is at a better school where air conditioned bus is coming, picking up, school is air conditioned, and one day water comes, flood comes, there is no electricity, there is no AC, your child get depressed. And last 2 years we are getting so many number of engineers and doctors going to suicide because no campus selection. You all told, you means not you and me, all parents. They told when you complete MBBS, you will be picked up and you will taken to Canada, you will be taken to Middle East. And we also told the children, once your course is complete, there will be campus selection. So many company, Microsoft, this, that, they will come and you will pick up. Last 2 years, no selection. So if they are in the nature, they will understand these people are fighting in this nature. So they will also get that guts. They will also grow. So scouting is not simply picnic. You can also have picnic for prevention, Pradham Soban Scouts. But they grow up, no? They should understand the challenge. So they will be useful to themselves, their families. You see in our Adventure Institute now, children from 4 states, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. These people are from different family background, different language. But what they are doing? Together they are in the nature. So they know this is how to fight life. So tomorrow we have a overnight hike, overnight stay. So this is a preparatory march. So just keep yourself fit. Tomorrow we will go on a bigger march with a map. You will cook your food. Those who have given non-vegetarian menu, chicken, anda, they will be in a separate group. You will have to cook and eat. Subhash will provide you all the materials, including vessels. Right? Where you are halting in the night, that place he will bring. You don't need to carry everything, but you need to walk. Okay? That will be our tomorrow second half program. So this is a preparatory walk. You keep your eyes ready. Okay? So now what we will do, these lines will be like here. From here, Fernandez, you can turn this head. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here. Just like Fernandez, turn that elephant on the stick. Okay, you turn. Yeah. Chalo. This way. Behind.
दोस्तों, आप शॉपिंग में हमें जो हमारा वे ऑफ थिंकिंग है इसमें से हमको पॉजिटिवनेस बाहर निकालना। आज आप लोगों का एक बड़ा गोल्डन चार्ज मिस होगा, इसमें शायद गलती कितनी नहीं हो सकती है, मगर आपको बाकी में नहीं दिखाऊंगा। जो नाइट वॉक में हम देखेंगे वो एक्चुअली 2 किलोमीटर का नाइट वॉक हुआ और स्टार गेजिंग के लिए देखेंगे। और सर आज इतना अच्छा पचमढ़ी में पहली बार मौसम मिला है, इतने सालों से हम क्या करना है, आज सारे के सारे स्टार्स दिखाई दिए। पोल स्टार से लेके मंगल ग्रह यहाँ से क्लियर दिखता है, ये स्पॉट से कैसोपिया से लेके सारे स्टार्स। और फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ कि DSLR हमारे ये वॉक को लीड किए, तो कभी नहीं आते वो आपको बोलते आप लीड करो, लीड उनको करना था और बैकअप वो करना था। ठीक है, होता है।